Don't listen to those marketers telling you that you need to do SEO and spend tons of money so that they can optimize your keywords. Do this instead. Consider your goal, identify the tools from the marketing toolbox, a concept that I'm going to share with you in a minute, that you're going to need to use, and then I want you to devise a strategy to take action. My concept of a marketing toolbox is the idea that marketing is not just about sales. Marketing is a toolbox. If you think of it that way, then you'll realize there are tons and tons of tools inside of this marketing toolbox that you can use to create a beautiful structure of success for your business. So the idea is to identify your goal first and then understand which tools in the marketing toolbox are going to help you achieve that goal. Next, as you identify the tools from your toolbox, you'll know exactly how those tools work, and then it's about devising the strategy so that those tools can work together to get to the outcome that you desire. So if we're talking about tools in the toolbox, we're thinking things like social media, email marketing, we're talking about website, we're talking about lead magnets, we're talking about podcasts, videos, blog posts, newsletters, we're talking about networking, we're talking about word of mouth. These are all tools within the marketing toolbox. So of the ones that I've listed, what, if any, which, if more than one, are your favorite tools inside of the marketing toolbox? Comment below and tell me that answer. All right, everybody. Okay. Thank you for getting back so quickly after the break. Andrea is going to be back with us here in a moment to share with us even more tips and techniques to help us prepare our strategy for the next year. I would love to hear your feedback, so be prepared to fill out our survey at the end of this workshop. All right, let's go ahead. I'm going to give the stage back to Andrea. Next, it is so valuable to create the strategy after you've identified the tools, because it's through your strategy that your customer experience is going to emerge. And you want your customers to have a positive customer experience, because one of the tools in the toolbox is word of mouth. As you build your reputation begins to yield relationships. And those relationships will ultimately yield a solid rapport with your customer base that yields referrals. Once people are comfortable with you, they know you, and they are loving what you are putting down, they will begin to share you with their friends. And that, my friend, is a great way to improve word of mouth marketing for your business. Now, I believe people will spend your time quicker than they will spend your money. And if you aren't careful, the wrong expert will spend both. The best way to avoid being taken advantage of in the first place is to create a framework around how you navigate the world. In this next video, I'm going to be sharing with you several operating systems that will help you be more discerning in who you give access, and it'll help you be more discerning with the decisions that you have to make in your business. But before we go, don't forget to answer the question of the video and tell me what those crazy reindeer are doing for a chance to be entered into a drawing to be one of 4 guests on my podcast next year. The CEO Mindset Podcast is all about constantly evolving and being open to failing forward. And I want to hear what you have to say as it relates to your business. And I've got thousands of downloads happening on a daily basis, so you will have access to a whole new crop of people for your business. So I think it's a pretty good deal just for answering a question and telling me what some reindeer are doing. So leave that down in the comment section below, and your name will be entered into a drawing. Remember, if you watch all the videos, if you haven't already, you can do it on every video, so your name goes into the pot that many times. As many comments and as many opportunities telling me what those reindeer are doing gives you an opportunity to add your name to the pot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in tomorrow's 12 Days of Reindeer Games. Bye.